Hey guys, before my dad starts this video, don't forget to smash that like button
and subscribe
and hit the notification bell
so that way you can be notified to see the new video.
What's going on? It's your boy Kerry Too Smooth. And if you're brand new to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time we're dropping a new video. I don't want you to miss out. So today we're going to be talking about how to make bar chords. As a new beginner guitarist, this is something that you're probably faced with all the time. Like you keep hearing people talk about play bar chords, but how are they doing it? Like I'm just trying to figure it out. So today I want to talk to you about a way in order to make bar chords, in order to kind of simplify it a little bit. So as you're learning guitar, you probably learn how to play some of your open chords. So we want to start out with an open E chord in the 2nd fret. Right? So we see that how we're playing that open E with our middle finger on the A string in the 2nd fret, our ring finger right underneath that, and our index finger in the 1st fret. So what I want you to do now is I want you to switch your fingers around. Okay, so we see how we have it with our middle finger. Now I want our ring finger to go where our middle finger is, and our pinky to go right underneath that, and then our middle finger to go into the 1st fret. So we're going to play all of that. This right here is a bar chord shape. So you just played an E bar chord. Now the great thing about this particular chord is it's movable, so you can move this chord around. So all we have to do is, if we're playing it in the first 2 frets, slide up a half fret, same finger position. Now with our index finger, we're going to rest it and press down on the first set of strings in the 1st fret. So now you have an F major bar chord. You just played a bar chord. Now if you're experiencing some difficulty, it may be because of the action, and you're like, what is that? That means that the strings are too far off of the neck of the guitar. So you may want to get that adjusted, because it may be more difficult for you to play bar chords if the action is too high. Okay? So let's go back. So we're playing an open E. We want to switch our fingers around. So where our middle finger is, we want to put our ring finger. And underneath that, we want to put our pinky. And then in the 1st fret, on the 3rd to last string, we want to put our middle finger. We want to play all the strings. That is a bar chord shape. We want to slide it up because this is a movable chord, which means we can move it around in multiple positions and still have the same pattern as far as the shape, but different chord tones. So we want to a half step up, put our index finger on the 1st fret. We want to play all the strings in the 1st fret. Now we're playing an F major. We're going to slide up a half step. We're going to play F sharp. So the thing that you want to focus on too is like ensuring that you're in the middle of each fret, so you get a good, clean, crisp tone. You want to slide a half step up. G, so we're keeping the same shape. You're playing bar chords. A flat. Half step up if you're playing A. Half step up if you're playing B. Half step up if you're playing B flat. Half step up if you're playing C. Half step up if you're playing C sharp. And so on. So you get the picture. Just so we know exactly what it is. We're playing D, E flat, and then E. After the double dots, it starts all over again. So this is F. It's the same as at the beginning of the neck of the guitar. So that's how you can play bar chords. Now, I want to take a pause for the cause right here, and I want to ask you, what are you struggling on as a beginner guitarist? What are some of the areas that you want to try to improve on as a beginner guitarist? Drop the comment below, because I read the comments and I want to know what areas you need help on. Like I said again, it's really simple. You just have to slow it down and break it down for yourself. This bar chord, as far as you making the the major bar chord shape, is a movable chord, so you can move the chord all around. So I want you to take time and focus and really pay attention to how to do that, because that's going to make your playing that much better. All right, drop a comment below and let me know what areas you're struggling in, because I definitely want to know what you're doing so I can make video content to help you out.